Welcome to Hopscotch Preschool. Hey kids, welcome to the farm. Let's meet the animals one by one. First one is cow. C-O-W, cow. This is a cow. She gives us yummy milk. Thank you, cow. Next is hen. H-E-N, hen. It's a hen. She lays eggs in her little pen. Next one is horse. H-O-R-S-E, horse. A horse runs fast across the fields, zooming past. Next one is pig. P-I-G, pig. Here comes the pig, rolling in mud and dancing a jig. Next one is sheep. S-H-E-E-P, sheep. The sheep is white. Its wool keeps us warm at night. Next we have goat. G-O-A-T, goat. Hello goat. It climbs up hills and floats our boat. Next one is dog. D-O-G, dog. A farm dog is here. It guards the home with lots of cheer. Next we have cat. C-A-T, cat. The cat sits so sweet, chasing mice and purring meat. Next one is duck. D-U-C-K, duck. A duck in the pond, splashing water all day long. Next we have turkey. T-U-R-K-E-Y, turkey. Turkey is round, walking proudly on the ground. Next we have rabbit. R-A-B-B-I-T, rabbit. Bunny is here with fluffy ears and full of cheer. Next is rooster. R-O-O-S-T-E-R, rooster. Wake up you, the rooster sings when the day is new. Next one is chick. C-H-I-C-K, chick. It's a baby chick, so tiny yellow and super quick. Next one is donkey. D-O-N-K-E-Y, donkey. The donkey is strong. He carries loads all day long. Next one is calf. C-A-L-F, calf. A baby cow is called a calf. It walks behind and makes us laugh. So now you know the farmyard crew, from the pig that winks to the duck that flew. Do like, share and subscribe to Hopscotch Preschool for more learning with love and laughter. Take care. Bye.